Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.
यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें, शुरू होने जा रहा है एक अनोखा सफर in the world of Sidus ecosystem. Hey, hi, this is Tanay from CoinDCX. Welcome to Learn and Earn, where you can earn crypto by learning about your favorite projects. In today's Learn and Earn, we are going to talk about Sidus, a play-to-earn AAA level metaverse with a unique economic model. Sidus गेमिंग के साथ ही साथ एक DeFi प्लेटफॉर्म भी है जो स्टेकिंग ऑप्शंस प्रोवाइड करता है, यानी फन भी और फाइनेंस भी। बट इतना ही नहीं, इट ऑल्सो हैज अ ब्राउजर इंजन फॉर इजी एक्सेसिबिलिटी फॉर यूजर्स। तो आइए इन सब के बारे में डिटेल में जानते हैं। बात करते हैं Sidus के फीचर्स की। WebGL, हाई क्वालिटी वाली गेम बट विथ WebGL you can easily access Sidus Metaverse using just a simple web browser. Sidus प्लेटफॉर्म पर आपको NFT कलेक्शंस भर भर के मिलेंगे और वो भी यूनिक। आप NFTs को कलेक्ट और ट्रेड दोनों ही कर सकते हो। एंड नॉट जस्ट ट्रेडिंग, बट Sidus provides users with the option to earn rewards. आप टोकन स्टेक कर सकते हो with different intervals of lock-in period. Well, to talk about advantages, you must remember with great features come greater advantages. And there are many when using Sidus Heroes over other platforms. Sidus Heroes Sidus Metaverse का part है. So let me tell you about some of them. A. High quality games. Sidus platform provides high quality graphics and a smooth gaming experience. B. Easy user access. The WebGL platform makes it easy for everyone to access the game through a browser, enabling anyone with a basic computer to do gaming. C. DeFi. गेम खेलने के साथ साथ आप कमा भी सकते हो या नहीं? अगर आपको भी ऐसा लगता है तो शायद आप गलत हो। You can earn money as Sidus provides a variety of DeFi solutions like LP farming, staking, and many more. Now, let's take a look at the tokenomics of the Sidus Metaverse. There are two tokens, of which Sidus is the primary one. It is used for in-game activities, transactional fees, marketplace operations, and wrapping NFTs. Apart from these, it is the main utility token of the platform and is also used for staking. Its distribution is given here. Governance. The governance mechanism is based on the second token, which is Senate. With this, you become eligible to take part in voting for the game development process and other game-related activities. Hence, to perform all these activities and tasks, Senate token is utilized, and that's how the governance of the game is achieved. Its distribution is given here. You guys will be pleased to know that the gaming platform Sidus Heroes burns tokens which they get as profits from in-game purchases. What this would mean is that they remove the Sidus tokens from circulation, और ऐसा करने की वजह से टोकन प्राइस और यूजर्स को बेनिफिट होता है। So this was all about the Sidus ecosystem. I hope आप सबको ये जान के, सीख के और पढ़ के काफी मजा आया होगा। We'll be back with more such interesting videos about different tokens. Till then, stay tuned.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.